Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for insightful reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into a game-changer in the realm of stress relief and mental wellness. If you've ever struggled with anxiety or panic attacks, you know how debilitating they can be. But fear not, because we've discovered the ultimate solution. Introducing the OLLY Ultra Strength Goodbye Stress Softgels. These softgels aren't just your average stress relief supplement. Packed with a powerful blend of GABA, ashwagandha, L-theanine, and lemon balm. They're designed to calm your mind and soothe your nerves like never before. Let's break it down. GABA, known for its fast-acting properties, promotes a relaxed state of mind within just 30 to 60 minutes. Combined with L-theanine, this dynamic duo works in harmony to keep you cool, calm, and collected even in the most stressful situations. But wait, there's more. Ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen, not only supports mood but also boosts energy levels, helping you tackle the day with renewed vigor. And let's not forget lemon balm, a soothing botanical with centuries of history in calming the mind. What sets OLLY apart is not just its potent formula, but also its commitment to quality. These softgels are gluten-free, GMO-free, and NSF certified. So you can trust that you're putting only the best into your body. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the transformative effects of OLLY Ultra Strength Goodbye Stress Softgels. From managing stress levels to improving sleep quality, the testimonials speak for themselves. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to stress and hello to a calmer, more centered you, look no further than OLLY Ultra Strength Goodbye Stress Softgels. Trust me, your mind and body will thank you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques that'll change your life. Until next time, stay stress-free and stay tuned.